Non-combustible materials form the exterior of a cabin near Lake Tahoe, designed by the US-based studio Faulkner Architects to withstand wildfires and serve as a base camp for a family expanding their existing property. The CAMPout House is located on a gently sloping site in Truckee, a mountain town north of the lake known for its skiing, hiking, and water sports. The architects had to be mindful of California wildfires, which have become more frequent and intense in recent years. Just last year, the Caldor fire burned 221,000 acres in the Lake Tahoe basin and destroyed over 1,000 structures. The fire came within about 25 miles of the CAMPout House. While many houses built in wildland areas are at risk of fire, the team carefully designed this structure to minimize that risk. The form takes on a protective posture. Materials are non-combustible. Glazing is limited at the exterior interface with the combustible surroundings and maximized in the courtyard, where light and the screen of pine forest connect safely with the interior. The exterior walls consist of concrete and 16-gauge corten steel, materials known for being non-combustible and helping the building survive a wildfire. Engineered wood and steel were used for the structural frame. In addition to exposed concrete, finishes include black basalt floor tiles, sugar pine ceilings, and granite countertops. The spaces have a rustic yet refined look. At the front of the house, a thin sloped roof is lifted, creating space for clear stories. The furnishings share the same materials and tonal qualities, reinforcing a subtle presence that allows the vibrant landscape to resonate. Nestled within a pine forest, in the shadow of an 8,000-foot extinct volcano in the Sierra Nevada range, the residence serves as a nature retreat for a tech company CEO and his family who live in San Francisco. Along the courtyard, light flows in through sliding doors and floor-to-ceiling glass. The glazed access area around the courtyard connects the sleeping rooms and main pavilion to the courtyard and fire, much like a campsite. The house was inspired by the residents' lifestyle, who cross-country skis from their backyard up the mountain and skis back down. The home is simultaneously a base camp for adventure and a serene escape from urban sprawl.